663 Homewillow. I'm going to trim these trees back from the roof. I don't believe there's any power inside, so it's going to be a little dark. Okay, so we have tile at the entry. It's really nice, grayish with a little bit of brown. The walls are the right color, but it's going to need to be repainted. It's pretty dark in here, but there's a lot of storage. 3-car tandem. Okay. Typical storage closet right off the front entry in the garage. Then we move into carpeted areas. These are the right blinds. Right now I'm looking at 5 of them. They look like they are probably functioning and they look like they're in okay shape. They can probably stay. The carpet probably has to go, although we might be able to clean out some of these stains. Some weird stuff is going on here for $1.50 approximately a square foot. Probably want to replace it. So this is the dining area. So it's great that we have the same tile. It looks like the same tile as at the entry. And we have solid counters. And what looks like an additional eat-in area over here. Blinds all seem to be fine. Little pantry. Another pantry. Undermount sink, the gooseneck faucet. Cabinets actually look fine. This is brass, gold brass, and it doesn't match the fixtures, the hardware over there. Definitely a one-time landscape cleanup. Oh, I just heard something. Okay. I want to fix all of that, just sand it down and paint it. Okay. I personally really like this dual, I guess technically it's a 3-sided fireplace. You can enjoy it in the living room and in the dining area. So bedroom down. That's great. Appeal to a lot more people. This looks like the same tile. Cabinets look good. Definitely need some baseboards. Might have been some flooding, I don't know that. I'm just saying that might be why there's baseboards missing on the opposite side of the bathroom and why the carpet's messed up. Great little loft area. You could have desks or a little library. Sometimes Jenny says we can keep fans like this. Probably not this time. It's a very large house. We need a shower rod, replace the drain ring, Maybe replace that shower head as well. Pretty standard stuff. This flooring needs to be replaced. It's about $6.50 a square foot for the second floor. Replace it in this laundry room as well. Very easy to do. We do that a lot. Fix that shelf. Now this matches the pantry downstairs. Straightforward linen closet. Okay, so it seems like a lot of the hardware in the house matches. It's a really nice large fan, especially for the size of this room. We have closet door guides, raised panel closet doors, and closet rod. We need a globe on there. Sometimes it's easier just to replace the light kit or the fan. But the carpet upstairs is not the best quality and not the best condition, but the property manager will have to decide in person if it's salvageable. I would think it is. Need to replace this flooring as well. This cabinet looks like it's in good condition. I don't know why there was, I guess that. Okay, so just the first few lights I tried must have been out, but there is power. These cabinets look great. I personally like the height of the counters. Seems really tall. I want to make sure all the shelves work. We can definitely take care of that. Okay,